We're solving problem 8 from the 2020 AMC 12B. How many ordered pairs of integers x, y satisfy the equation x to the power of 2020 plus y squared is 2y? For this problem, we can simplify it down a bit to make the possibilities easier. So we want to complete the square with this y squared. So we leave x to the 2020 plus y squared, subtract the 2y because we see it makes a square. And then when you subtract, usually in this case the 2y or the y with the 1 power or variable with the 1 power, it's got to be plus for the constant. So in this case it will be plus 1. And then you want to add 1 to both sides. This makes it x to the power of 2020 plus y plus 1 squared, or y minus 1, equals 1. Therefore, x has 3 values. It can only be 0, 1, and negative 1, because any other value as such would go over 1, and y minus 1 squared cannot be less. Well, yeah, it cannot be less than 0 to subtract anything. So then we have our values. For x equals 0, this will be 0, and then plug that in. Y to the power, when x equals 0, this would be y minus 1 squared equals 1, square root it. Y minus 1 equals plus minus 1. Y either equals 2 or if it's negative 0. So it has values at 0, 0, and 0, 2. And then we solve for these 1s and negative 1s. So this would be 1, comma, and then what would our y value be? Our y value would be 1, comma 1. And our negative 1 value would be negative 1, comma 1, because it's an even power, and it'll make the negative go away. So then here we see that we only have 4 solutions, so 4 is our answer for this problem.